So you're driving down the road and you see another lifted 4Runner or maybe a Tacoma. Well, obviously the next move is to break your neck and see what kind of setup they're working with. Alright, they got about 2.5 inches of lift, 33s, wheels look pretty good. Wait, man, them wheels look really good. What the heck kind of wheels are they? So you finally get up next to them at a stoplight and you catch a glimpse of the center caps. SCS. What the heck company is that? Alright, so you get on home and you get online, you're going to do some searching. We got to figure out what this SCS is. Okay, SCS stands for Stealth Custom Series Wheels. Alright, I got that. You find their website, you see what they got. Yeah, the website looks real sweet, but I ain't seeing nothing available, so we're going to have to try to look elsewhere. Alright, let me look on some other sites. So you check your Rolodex of website stores that we always look at. Man, I ain't seeing no SCS wheels anywhere. How is that right? Well, it is. Stealth Custom Series wheels are only available from their specific website, with one exception, which I will cover later on. Unfortunately, those sweet looking wheels are going to be a little bit harder to get than you originally thought. Why to get them? How to get them? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a little bit of background on the company, what's so special about them, and finally, in the latter portion of this video, I will give you my personal procedure on obtaining these wheels, because you're probably going to need it. Let's get into it. So when I first started gathering information for this video, I wanted to reach out to the owner of SCS to ask him a few questions. Well, the owner's name is Vin, and he was super quick to reply. Vin started Stealth Custom Series wheels over about 10 years ago based out of Northern California. Specifically, they're out there close to Oakland. A Toyota guy through and through, he has an awesomely sweet Tacoma himself. The thing is built to the nines in full Cali style, and it's definitely not just for show. Vin's Tacoma has tested out many different styles of SCS wheels. When I originally saw his Tacoma years back, it was on bronze Stealth 6s, and now when I looked it up, he's got it currently on some of their BR6 style wheels. So when Vin first started SCS Wheels, his goal was to build a company centered around limited production, premium build wheels. Knowing that he wanted these wheels to perform as good as they looked, Vin started out by ensuring the wheels were approved across the board by all safety standards set by JWL, JWLT, and VIA. I definitely didn't know what this stood for, so I had to look that up, but basically it's talking about Japanese lightweight wheels and make sure that they're structurally strong enough for the weight capacity that they're good for or what they're stated for, and they are. So most importantly, the wheels were designed in offsets and widths that fit Toyotas perfectly, lifted or whether they're stock height. SCS wheels are also offered for Jeeps in their respective fitments and sizes, but in this video I'm going to be specifically speaking towards Toyotas. If you have a Jeep and you're interested, go to their website and see what they have to offer. You definitely will not be disappointed. I'm not real familiar with Jeeps, but it looks like they got a lot of options for you guys. When Vin first got SCS going, some 10 plus years ago, he and his team started out with 3 wheel designs: the Stealth 6, the F5, and the Stealth Runner 8, or SR8 for short as they call it. As you can see in these wheels, the goal was to take notes from classic wheel designs and kind of put a modern twist on them, and in addition, they wanted to make sure they had perfect fitment options for Toyotas. So in addition to these 3 models, SCS now offers a few more designs to include the Ray 10, which is my favorite, the BR6, the Gen 5, and now they got a new model coming out soon called the Blaze 10. That's kind of a Ray 10, but without the simulated bead lock running around the outside of the wheel. So one thing to add, not only do the wheels come in limited quantities, but at times there are also special ultra-limited release colorways that are even harder to attain than the normal wheels. If you get a set of blue, white, bronze, or even indigo SCS wheels, you got something extremely rare on your hands. Earlier I mentioned the fitment of these wheels. I might even have mentioned it a couple times by now, but let me focus on that for just a second. I'm not hating here at all, but we've all seen many Toyotas with wheels by companies such as Fuel, Method, KMC, and ProComp, maybe to name a few. These are all perfectly fine looking and well built wheels, but the issue is these much more popular wheels don't usually come in offset measurements that are nearly as good of a fitment as the SCS line of wheels. Many of these wheels will either sit too far in or stick way too far out. Depending on what you're looking for, Vin and SCS have you covered whether you want a flush look or something a little bit wider. Just to make an example, I'm running my second set of SCS Ray 10s, and they're in a 16x8 negative 12mm offset, and I've got them on 285s on my 3rd Gen 4Runner, and the stance, in my opinion, is pretty much perfect. The tires are just about flush with the limited style fender flares. You might have it half an inch sticking out or so. No rubbing at all. If you want something more aggressive in regards to width, then you can look at their F5 wheels that come in a negative 25mm offset. That's going to stick out a little bit further for you. Do your homework and you will see that there are plenty of options to suit what you're looking for. Now let's talk about the part of SCS that's a little bit more controversial, for a lack of better words. Stealth Custom Series uses a bit of a different sales strategy than most. As we all know, our world is now nearly centered around the internet, and more specifically social media. Whether you love it or hate it, that's kind of the way it is. SCS takes the social media approach in full stride. If you search Instagram for Stealth Custom Series, you will find a ton of high quality pictures of pretty amazing looking Toyotas and Jeep builds outfitted with SCS wheels. But what you're also going to see are posts referring to inventory updates. SCS uses a model that keeps a very low inventory of the wheels they sell. This is for multiple reasons. It keeps demand high, and it makes it that much more special to own a set. Yeah, it can be a pain, but when you get your hands on a set, it's pretty cool to know that you aren't going to see the same model wheel on every other Toyota going down the road. One huge positive note on SCS wheels is that they are very reasonably priced. If you have any previous experience with rear wheel options, you know they can get pretty dang expensive. Let's enter the chat: Volk, Work, BBS, American Force wheels. Now these are all examples of forged wheels, but still, I expected SCS wheels to be priced much higher than what they are, being they're pretty hard to get. But you can get a set of SCS wheels for just over $1,000. In my opinion, that's a pretty solid deal. So let's talk about actually getting your hands on a set of these wheels. You have a few options here. The easiest way to get a set of SCS wheels is to follow Stealth Custom Series on Instagram and check their postings every day. This could require some patience, like months of patience, depending on what wheel size and color you want. It's kind of luck of the draw. But when they're going to have an inventory refresh, they'll make a post on Instagram of the exact date and time showing which options are going to be available. Now keep in mind that these times are given in Pacific Standard Time, so if you're like me on the East Coast or maybe middle of the United States, either way, you're going to have to set your alarm a little bit later to make sure you're on time to get them. I'm going to give you my best advice here on how to get a leg up on purchasing your wheels ahead of others. Now, I might regret this, being that I kind of want to get another set of SCS wheels myself, and I don't want to miss out, but figured I'd try to give you all help with this. So when you see a post of an inventory refresh and you see the size and model that you want, go ahead and get ready to purchase. Say the refresh is going to happen at 9 o'clock Pacific Standard Time that evening. So go ahead and get on the website around 8:30 or so and put another item in your cart. You'll need to purchase new lug nuts for your wheels, so this is probably a good option to add. So go ahead and add the lug nuts to your cart and start the checkout process. You can now go ahead and enter your payment information, address, all that good stuff. Once you've entered all that, now go ahead and wait until 8:58 or so and start refreshing the wheel page of the model that you wish to purchase. As soon as the inventory refreshes on the site, add your wheels and immediately check out. I will promise you that these wheels go fast, sometimes within minutes, so you need to know exactly what you want before the time comes so you can add it and immediately check out. This method has worked for me and seems to be the best way to go about it, and to be honest, it kind of brought some old memories back from trying to snipe stuff on eBay. Now, one other option for getting wheels is one that many don't know about. There is a Toyota dealership in Texas called Freeman Toyota. They do keep a limited stock of SCS wheels. You can email them and check on their inventory, and even if they don't have what you're looking for, they'll put you on a waiting list and they'll contact you when they get those wheels in. This method does work, and it's actually how I purchased my last set of SCS wheels when I was too late on that specific inventory refresh. They arrived timely, packaged well, and they had definitely never been removed from the boxes. If you look on forums, I will say that some people have had some bad experiences with wheels being messed up, but in my experience, they had never even been removed from the boxes, so there were no issues whatsoever. Your last option to get these wheels is to find a set used, which is something that we're all pretty familiar with dealing with these old Toyotas. So you might be able to find them on forums or Facebook, Marketplace, or maybe even Craigslist, but don't expect to find them at a huge discount. My first set of Ray 10s got pretty scratched up, but I cleaned them up and was still able to sell them for close to what I paid for them new. I didn't have this experience before since I was dealing with my 4Runner, but now I've got my 92 pickup, which does have manual locking hubs. So one extra thing I'd like to note is that if you have a Toyota with manual locking hubs, you'll need to pay attention to what model you get. F5 models are made to work with manual locking hubs. The other options may work, but you got to verify this on your own. Most models of Land Cruisers have manual hubs that are too large to fit on these other model wheels, but it has been noted on forums that early first-gen Tacoma factory manual hubs will clear with no modification on their models. I haven't found proof, but one would have to think this is also true for earlier model 4Runners as well. Lastly, I did find that worn aftermarket manual hubs are smaller in diameter, and those clear all the models just fine. Make sure to do your homework so you don't get stuck with a set of wheels that don't fit, and if you have any questions, email SCS and I promise you that they will get back to you in a pretty timely fashion. So that's my take on Stealth Custom Series wheels. They're rarer than most, high quality, great looking, but reasonably priced wheels. I will say that I put 2 sets of SCS wheels through absolute crap and they have held up amazingly. I want to state that I'm not affiliated or compensated by SCS Wheels in any way. I'm just a Toyota loving dude that appreciates a good wheel when I see one. I have included links in the websites mentioned in this video in the description box below. For any questions regarding fitment, feel free to comment below and I'll help as best I can, or you can send an email to SCS and they will gladly reply in a timely fashion. I appreciate y'all checking out, and I'll see y'all on the road and the trails. If y'all like this video, then go ahead and subscribe for me, comment, like, all that good mess that I don't ever like to say. But if you do it, I definitely appreciate it a lot. So y'all take it easy.